What up, squad? Back with another video. In this video, I'll be replacing the throttle cable, which is this one right here. And the reason why I'm replacing it is because, as you can see in there, the wire is damaged. Not only that, but sometimes when I accelerate, it gets stuck. So I'd rather just replace the whole thing, you know, and not run into an accident or something. So I already loosened this up right here. That's first things first. Gotta loosen up from there. Then this wire runs through the valve cover, which is right here. Has a little, another one right there. It passes through the back of your master, and it runs in there. So what I'm gonna do first is, see if I get a good angle. Just pretend like you're gonna accelerate, which is the car is off, right? You need to get some drag to it. See? And then there's gonna be like a little lead at the very end of the wire. Just gonna push it out. Push it right out and it pops right out, watch. Try to be careful with those wires. They're sticking up. And just like that, it pops right out. See that? The little lead at the very end of the wire. And then this one just pops right out. You loosen up the nut and it pops right out. See? Just start taking it off. Let's see. There. It unlocked. Okay, once it's like that, go ahead and take it out from the inside. There's another little clip I'm gonna show you. All right, so now we're underneath the dashboard. There's your throttle right here, and you're gonna want to pop that white clip. You're just gonna pop it right to the left, and it's gonna unclip. And the reason for is so that lead piece would come right out. On the very far end, watch, I'm gonna show you. So you pop this out. Sorry, it's a little tight squeeze in here, squad. Let's see. Pop it out. Boom. I popped it right out. So you can see, I just pushed it right up to the left. Now it's off. And that's a little cut. See? So now you push your wire out. Now it's loose. All right, so we're back up here. Once that wire on the bottom is off, this should come right out. See that? This is what I was talking about. You twist counterclockwise, it pops right out. And this clip right here, it gets hooked on the throttle, but you push it up and to the left, and it should pop right out. Now to install, it's the same thing. See, that thing was damaged. The original throttle, that's why. That's trash. Got me a good one. See that? Way better. All right, so to install it, just pretty much you reverse everything. You know, stick it in that hole. Instead of this little clip, instead of pushing it to the left, you put it to the right, so it clips on. This thing too. Put the little nut in there. Once again, your throttle. Like you're accelerating. Boom. You stick it in through that hole. And you should be good to go. SUV Bullies. Let's get it.